extra, I've been working with Field Ready. Field Ready is a humanitarian organization that is making useful items where they are needed by finding solutions to them locally. As Field Ready in Iraq, we are working and partnering with some maker spaces like in Baghdad, Mosul, and we have a maker space in Erbil, and very soon another space in Sulaymaniyah. Through these maker spaces, we are working on finding solutions and supporting businesses to do their prototype in those spaces. In this Makeathon, we are actually having a problem of finding solutions for buildings to be more earthquake resistant, and we have a group of 25 youth which are participating, and this project is funded by Royal Academy of Engineering, where they are working in 2 days to get information about earthquake and earthquake resilience buildings, and after that to work on finding good solutions and compete each other. And we are hoping that there are good results coming out from the second day of this Makeathon, and these results will then be tested in UK.
Hi, my name is Yad, and I'm a civil engineering student at AUIS. I'm very glad to be here. This is a very important opportunity to apply the things that we've learned in class in an actual practical field. Also, I'm here to further my abilities as a civil engineer and to know more about building earthquake resistance, which is a problem that's become very common in this city, and at my own house, we have that problem as well. We have a lot of cracks, and I'm here to find a solution today to solve those problems.
Hello, I'm Davin, a student at AUS, major civil engineering. I'm glad to participate in this event. It's a new experience for me to know new engineers and communicate with them, especially, and my teammate. All of them graduated, especially me that I'm a student, so it's a really new experience for me. So I really enjoy it.
My name is Ali Abdulrazak Samurai. I am PhD. I have a PhD in industrial design, industrial product design, and today we participated as a mentor. I participated as a mentor in Makeathon about earthquake in Sulaymaniyah. So my role was to support the participant and trying to help them to better brainstorm and find a solution to the problem. So within these two days, we worked on the solution. We already have a problem, which is the earthquake happening in Sulaymaniyah and how it damaged the buildings. So every participant chose a building and tried to work on a solution.
Makeathon!